Good morning, children. I hope all of you have appeared your exam nicely. So, from today we are going to start our classes once again. So, today we will see or we will discuss a new chapter, that is linear equations in two variables. Okay, it is also one of the easiest chapter, a mark scoring chapter. That previous chapter that we have learned, coordinate geometry, that one is also a very easy chapter. So whatever things are required in coordinate geometry, that things is needed once again here. So here linear equations in two variables, that one we will discuss only the introductions part here. So a little more you will get when go to class 10 and class 12. So let us see what is linear equation in two variables. Okay. So now you see, till today you have learned about linear equation in one variable only. You know what is linear equation in one variable. Suppose here I am writing one example, twice x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is a linear equation. Why it is a linear equation? Because the highest because the degree of this equation is 1. That's why it is called linear. Okay? Twice x plus 1 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in one variable. Why it is a linear equation in one variable? Because degree of this equation is 1. That's why linear. And why it is one variable? Because you see here only one type of variable is there, that is what? X. So you know how to find out the solution of this type of equation that you have learned up to till today. You have learned how to find a solution of this type of equation. So today we will see linear equation in two variables. Let us see one situation. Okay, let us see one situation. Now suppose one situation is there like this: cost of one pen and one pencil is rupees 100. Okay, so here one situation is there, cost of one pen and one pencil is rupees 100. Now we have to frame one equation here. So here, what is unknown to you here in this question? What is the cost of one pen? Okay, this is one thing unknown to you. And what is the another thing that is unknown to you here? That is cost of one pen. One pen and one pencil. Two unknown things are there here in this situation. Two unknown things. Okay. What is the cost of one pen and what is the cost of one pencil? That two things is unknown here in this statement. Okay, and the total it is given what? Rupees 100. Okay, so in this situation, what I am going to do here, we'll suppose let the cost of one pen is equal to rupees X and cost of one pencil is equal to rupees Y. Okay, because two unknown things are there here, two unknown variable. One is what is the cost of one pen and what is the cost of one pencil. Okay, now what the question says, the cost of one pencil and one pen and one pencil is rupees 100. So how I will write this one as an equation? X plus 1 cost. What I suppose cost of one pen is X. So X. And what is the cost of one pencil? I suppose Y. So together is equal to rupees what? 100. You see what I got? I got an equation here. I got one equation, X plus Y is equal to 100. Cost of one pencil or pen and cost of one pen together it is rupees what? 100. Okay. Now you see here in this equation, this equation is little bit different from the previous equations that you have learned in what class up to class 8 or till today that we have learned. Here what is the difference between linear equation in one variable? Because here you see two variables are there, two unknown variables are there. That's why this type of equation is called linear equation in two variables. Why it is called a linear equation? Because you see, what is the degree, what is the power of x, it is 1, what is the power of y, it is 1, that's why degree is what? 1, that's why it is called linear equation. Correct? That's why it is called what? Linear equation. Why it is called two variables? Because here two variables are there, two different type of variables are there, different type, remember, two different types of variable, one is x, another one is what? Y, two different types of variables are there, that's why such type of equations are called what? Linear equation in two variable. I hope you understood what is linear equation in two variables. Okay, in linear equation the degree should be what? Equation everybody knows, equation linear means what? One variable, linear means degree is 1 and variables means two variables means two different type of variables are there. So this is an example of linear equation in two variables. So let us discuss more about this linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now let us see what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Standard form. Standard form of linear equation in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Okay. So standard form means what? Exactly a linear equation two variable will look like this only. Whatever I am going to write now, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a what? Linear equation in two variables. Means a linear equation in two variables will exactly look like this, ax in this form. Okay, suppose I will give you one example. Yx plus 4y is equal to 5. Yx plus 4y is equal to 5. Now you see, this is a linear equation in two variables. Just now we have discussed, yes, this is a linear equation in two variables. Now whether this linear equation in two variables look exactly like this? Yes, almost it looks like the standard form, but one thing is there, here c is here c is in right side. So what I will do here, I will write this equation like this, twice x plus 4y, that 5 I will transpose to left side, it become minus 5 is equal to 0. Now you see, this linear equation in two variables will exactly look like the standard form of linear equation. This is the standard form. Now if we compare this equation with the linear equation in two variables, the value of a is equal to what? 2. What is the value of b? b is equal to 4. And what is the value of c? c is equal to minus 5. Correct? So this is about linear equation in two variables and what? And it's what? Standard form. Alright? I hope it is clear to you what is linear equation in two variables and what is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. One more example I will give you. Suppose here I am writing thrice x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Suppose this is one more linear equation in two variables. This is a equation, linear equation in two variables. Whether it is in standard form or not? Yes, it is in standard form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If we compare this one with the standard form, a is what? 3. What is b? b is 4. What is c? c is what? Minus 3. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 4. Okay, so that much for this what exercise number what 5.4.1. So if you understood this part, you can very easily do the exercise number 4.1. After that we will go for the solution. So let us do exercise, some questions from the exercise 4.1. So come to the question number 1 of exercise 4.1. The question is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay. write a linear equation in two variables to represent this. Now, here what is totally unknown to you in this question? Two things is unknown. What is the cost of notebook and what is the cost of pen? After that, we will apply the condition. Okay. So we will suppose here let the cost of notebook, let the cost of notebook is equal to cost of one notebook is equal to rupees X, and the cost of one pen is equal to rupees Y. Now what this question says, according to the question, now come to the question, what the question says. Cost of notebook, what is the cost of notebook? It is X is equal to what? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. What is the cost of pen? Pen is what? Y. So cost of notebook is equal to twice the cost of notebook. Now it becomes a linear equation in two variables. So X minus twice Y is equal to what? 0. Okay. So this is the solution. So what is A here? If we compare with the standard form, A is what? 1. Here coefficient of X is 1. So A is 1. B is minus 2. But C is not here. C is not there here. So that C is what? 0 in this case. Okay. Let us see the question number 2 of this exercise. Now come to the question number 2 of exercise 4.1. This question number 2, it says express the following linear equation in the form of what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. Suppose here one linear equation in two variables is there. Okay, now this equation is not in standard form. To bring it in standard form, it should look like this, ax plus, it look like this, but it is not in standard form. So first of all, we will bring it in standard form, and after that you have to write down the values of a, b and c. So here it is no problem, twice x plus 3y. Then this 9.35 bar, you bring it to this side. 9.35 bar is equal to 0. Okay. So now it converted into what? Standard form of linear equation into variable. Correct. Now you have to write the value of a, b and c. So what is a here? A is what? 2. What is b? B is 3. And what is c? C is equal to minus 9.35 bar. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. The question number 2 is x minus y by 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Now you see, this one is already in standard form, no need to bring it in the standard form. X, y, then what is the constant term is there. Only you have to write the value of a, b and c. So what is a here in this case? A is equal to, what is the coefficient of x? X is 1. What is the coefficient of b? B is equal to minus 1 by 5. Y by 5 means what is the coefficient? 1 minus 1 by 5. So coefficient of y is minus 1 by 5. Now what is c here? C is equal to what? Minus 10. This is question number 3. Now question number 4, let us see. Question number 3, let us see what is question number 3. 3 is minus twice x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay. Now this one is also not in standard form because the constant term is in right side. You see this constant term 6 is in right side. So bring it into what? Left side. So first of all bring it in standard form. So minus twice x plus 3y, then 6, if you transpose here it becomes minus 6 is equal to 0. So if you compare with the standard form, then what is the value of a? A is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to minus 6. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Now come to question number 4. What the question number 4 says? Question number 4 is x is equal to 3y. X is equal to 3y. Correct? So it is also not in standard form now. So bring it into standard form first. So if we transpose this 3y to right left side, it becomes x minus 3y is equal to 0. So a is there, B is also there, but C is missing here. Okay, if it is missing, C is not there, you write the value of C as what? 0. Okay, so here if you compare with the standard form, what is A? A is equal, what is the coefficient of X? It is 1. What is B? B is minus 3. And what is C? C is equal to what? 0. Okay, now come to question number 5 of this question. So number 5 is twice X is equal to minus 5y. Twice X is equal to minus 5y. This is also not in standard form. Okay, so bring it in standard form first. So we can write twice X plus 5y is equal to what? 0. Okay, so here also C is missing, C is not there. So if it is not there, you can write the value of C as what? 0. So if you compare with the standard form, A is equal to how much? A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 0. I hope it is clear to you, and 1 or 2 questions are remaining that you can do by yourself. That is question number 6, 7 and 8 that you can do by yourself. That is very easy question. Only you have to express in linear equation in two variables, and after that you have to write the value of A, B and C. Okay, our next topic is how to find out the solution of a linear equation in two variables. So let us see what is the solution of linear equation in two variables. Our next topic. Okay, so solution means what value of X and what value of Y I will put here so that this equation will balanced. Okay, means left side will become left side will equal to what? Right side. That is called the solution. What value of X and what value of Y I will put here in this equation so that this equation will balance. That is called the solution of linear equation in two variables, value of X and value of Y. Correct? So now how to find the solution of a linear equation in two variables, that we are going to discuss here, and how many solutions are there in a linear equation in two variables, that we are going to discuss here. Okay, now you see here what you do in this case. You put the value of Y, you will get the value of X. Suppose what I am going to do here, you see this equation I am going to write like this: X is equal to 6 minus twice Y. 6 minus the 2y transpose to the right side, it become X is equal to 6 minus 2 twice Y. Now you put value of Y, you will get value of X. Understood? Suppose if I put Y is equal to 1, Y is equal to 1, then X is equal to how much? X is equal to 6 minus 2 into 1. So 6 minus 2, so is equal to 4. So X we got 4 and Y is equal to 1. This is one solution. This is one solution. Correct? Okay, any value you can put here. Suppose if I put Y is equal to 2. So X is equal to how much then? 6 minus 2y means 2 into what value of Y I am taking? 2. So X is equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 2. Means X is equal to 2, Y is equal to 2. This is also one solution. Okay. Suppose if I put here Y is equal to 4, any value you can put here. So then X is equal to 6 minus 2 into 4 means 2 into 4. So X is equal to 6 minus 8. So X is equal to minus 2. Okay? Correct? So like this you can you tell me how many value of X and Y I can find out for this equation? Yes. Yes, infinite. Okay, there is no limit. Infinite number of solution we can find out for this equation. So how many solution? Here in this at present how many solution we got here? This is 1, this is 2 and this is what? 3. Only 3 solution we got. But like this we can find infinite number of solution of a linear equation in two variables. So how many solutions you can find? There are infinite number of solutions. There are infinite. कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा. Infinite numbers of solution in linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variables. Okay? Is it clear too? So here in this part, what I did, I put the value of y. हम क्या कर रहे थे? Y का वैल्यू पुट कर रहे थे, x निकल के आ रहा था x. But it is not necessary that you can do like this only. What you can do? You can put the value of x and you will get the value of what? Y. That is also one solution. Like this also you can do. Okay? So here we did like this first. You can do like this also. Twice y is equal to 6 minus x. So what I did here, I am going to find out the value of x. Y, and I put the value of x in this case. So y we can write 6 minus x divided by 2. So now here you put the value of x, you will get the value of y. But in this case, what I did, I am putting the value of y and I am getting the value of what? X. Correct? So like this also you can find out the solution of a linear equation in two variables. So in your examination, if question will be asked based on this, they will mention write 5 solution of this equation, write 6 solution of this equation, write 2 solution, because infinite number of solutions are there. Okay? So for this, so that's all for this today's class. Next things we are going to learn here how to represent a linear equation in two variable in graphical form. Okay?